Criminal case number E10 of 2025. Samson Kiprotich Taalam.
Yes, Your Honor.
James Mukhwana.
Yes, Your Honor.
Peter Kimani alias Kim.
Yes, Your Honor.
James Ngige Gitau. Sorry. John Gin Ammitou Abwao. Ammitou Abwao. Brian Mwaniki.
Yes, the DR to appoint advocates for the two. If Mr. Kinuthia comes on record, that is fine. The DR is directed to appoint.
Then could we give also our input before the court?
Go ahead.
I'm sitting him on his feet, I'm waiting for him.
Yes, perhaps maybe after the defense have also responded, we can get directions on maybe when to come. We can come tomorrow morning. On our part, we are ready to come tomorrow morning, but we subject to your directions.
That will depend on court admin. Are you here, Eric?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are you able to get 2 advocates?
Yes, we can.
You can? Yes, that will have to be tomorrow.
We have not responded yet.
Yes.
Do we respond before the court gives direction?
Yes. I have given directions up to that juncture.
Yes.
That the DR to appoint advocates.
Yes. My lady.
Yes.
All these accused people appear before magistrates' courts with the miscellaneous applications. Those miscellaneous applications have not been closed. They had advocates on record. They were picked 15 minutes ago from their police stations. Without the state informing the advocates that they are being brought to take plea from her. I was before this court in the morning. I left this court at around 11. We understand the state wants to charge purely for the purpose of Wednesday's riots. And that is the pressure.
The lady that cannot be allowed.
Sustained, not on record.
Maintain.
No.
You must retaliate.
So, Your Honor.
No retaliation.
Sorry, Your Honor, that was a joke.
No politics, it is law. It's the breach of the law.
Yes, that's what
if you get into politics, I will just make an order. 2 are not represented, therefore you cannot even submit in absence of their counsel. So
what you are saying.
What you are saying is very good, very good, except when you.
Very well. We are only giving reasons.
No.
And those reasons, it's only the court that can protect accused persons.
No. Let's not go to the reasons which you cannot substantiate.
Let me move.
Yes, let's move.
The 2 are not represented.
The 2 are not. True.
The court should ask them whether they will get advocates before a decision is made that the DR present advocates tomorrow.
Okay, hold on. Did you hear him? He said he wants an advocate from the state. Only one. The other one said he has an advocate called Kinuthia, and I said in the unlikely event that Kinuthia is not here tomorrow, we will have an advocate on standby. But this court is very patient. It can wait. It can wait until they get funds to engage. Very well, we will adjourn. You need 2 weeks to get advocates? We will adjourn for 2 weeks. Stand up, the 2 of you.
My lady, if you allow us.
I only like arguments where I can do a ruling.
Yes, my lady.
You get?
Yes, my lady.
So both of you, both sides, when you make submissions, ensure that it is in the interest of justice for your client.
Yes, it's what I actually want to say.
Sorry.
Yes.
Mr. Witu, we are still on the defense.
I just wanted to interject and then
allow us to finish.
It may be to your benefit.
No.
Just 1 minute.
No.
My lady, what I wanted to indicate to my learned friends, the court indicated clearly that the fourth accused person,
Yes.
is it the fourth who indicated that he has, the third, that he had
An advocate.
Mr. Kinuthia.
Yes.
In fact, the words that the court used is that this court will appoint an advocate to you
Yes.
until Mr. Kinuthia comes in.
Yes.
So that in the interest of the accused person, at the very maximum, he could
Yes.
even have 2 advocates.
Yes.
At the worst, should Mr. Kinuthia not come, then he will have a court-appointed advocate. I think that is in the best interest of the accused
I
person.
even asked for the court admin, and he said he could get an advocate before close of business today.
Your Honor, if the state
is being honest. And if the state could just even for one time, just follow the law, they would be able to avoid this problem. Why am I saying this? Everybody here has an advocate, at least in the miscellaneous applications. When they work in court and these applications were done, the state sitting here, and they're not blinking, sitting here, knows about their advocates and knows the contacts. They cannot pretend today.
Give me
not
the
to
way
know.
forward. Now that they are here,
Yes.
you are here.
Yes.
They do not have counsel. Tell me, what do you want me to do now? Do you want me to step aside? You've called those advocates to quickly come. Tell me what you want me to do.
No.
Because I would have actually just put off this matter to tomorrow, and that's why we have a court admin on standby.
And that's why I was saying, Your Honor,
Yes.
this has been done intentionally because they know if the lawyers are not present, nothing will go on. This is why we're in this problem.
But do you know how I work?
No,
do you
they-
know you have worked
It is that-
before me?
No.
Do you know how I work?
Yes.
Yes,
They
you-
can't succeed with those intentions.
Yes,
So
sir.
let me do my work.
Legal bandits.
Exactly. Let me do my work.
Now, it has been called legal bandits analysis. But I think it's getting so.
But at least they said legal. They said legal, which is a good one. Yes. So I am only going to record when you want me to do a ruling. Yes, Mr. Manzo.
Yes, Manzo, yes,
Yes.
Your Lordship. Mr. Kisukwa has just joined me.
Mr.
to-
Kisukwa.
Yes. To
But that's not the name you gave me.
Yeah, Julius is yet to join later on, but at least Mr.
Miss,
Kisukwa.
spell for us the name K-I.
It's K.I.
Yes.
My name is Kisuko, Your Honor.
Kisuku.
Yes, my lord. My lady.
Yes. For
We are on record for the victim.
the victims. Okay.
We appear with Mr. Julius.
Okay. I do not want to waste your time, because even if we were to argue, there is no ruling I'm going to deliver without their representation.
All right.
It is even an error on your part to speak for the two when then they have no voice. Keep everything you have burning. Go and eat well. Come tomorrow energized, and let's now get into the battle. It will be a battle of legal minds, not banditry.
My lady, we have agreed for tomorrow, but
Yes.
we have told JV, out of abundance of caution, take them to miscellaneous courts and close those files.
Yes, ensure that the files are closed.
You
They,
remember the Asha Nyakundi matter?
Your Honor,
Yeah.
I think without even going on record,
yes,
there are dates in these miscellaneous applications. We are not intentional on having parallel proceedings before you and the miscellaneous courts. Once these charges are, they take off tomorrow, intentional deliberate actions will be taken to close those miscellaneous applications, and nothing will proceed in them parallel to these proceedings. So the indication the warning will be given by Mr. Omari that we must find a way of
They must be
closing
closed.
them before tomorrow. I think there's no law that requires that we do it prior.
Court will pronounce it, sir.
But we have indicated to court, we are intentional. All these miscellaneous applications, subject of the charges before you, shall be closed. At least I'm speaking for my learned seniors who are behind me here and beside me. So there's no worry. And this is not legal banditry.
Mr. Witt, you know there cannot be two charges, one a miscellaneous, one criminal. Refer to the case of Asha Nyakundi.
The miscellaneous application is not a charge. So what Mr. Omari is saying is not correct.
they actually, even when they are here,
Yes.
any state council can appear before the magistrate and close that
And they
miscellaneous.
must be present.
All right, okay, that, I want to decide on that, yes? Yes.
Yes, Julius has given explanation.
That was Julius who has given. So these are the directions of the court in view of the fact that the third and fourth accused persons are unrepresented. This matter shall be stood over to tomorrow, the 24th, for plea. As directed, the DR to appoint 2 advocates to be on standby. Let's have the time. Let's have the time. Probably at 10:30 or yes.
I know you have a long course list tomorrow because
Yes.
you're dealing with 2 days matters. So I don't know when you'd like us
Let
to
me
start.
see the diary. Exact. I will give you time allocation. My course list is manageable. I will handle you, then I will handle my normal course list. So if you are here you want to be here at 10 or 10:30?
10:30?
10:30.
To allow us to
allow you.
matters.
So now I cannot direct that they be remanded at Nairobi remand because of the short period. Let them go back to the relevant police stations from where they have come. So the IO, where's the IO? Kindly escort them to the police stations wherever they have come from, and then produce them tomorrow. Production order to issue. Directions tomorrow. And then there's the issue of whether plea should be taken before mental assessment. There is different jurisprudence from judges.
From
Yes.
Wakiaga.
When it's out. Could we deal with that when the 2 advocates are present for them?
There are advocates, you are here, and they are your colleagues. I need you to look at that so that we will know what we are dealing with tomorrow. That can be a preliminary issue. I am just showing you that it has happened before me. I have Wakiaga has jurisprudence, I have my own. You may have to look at
Madam Job
mine.
also has one, but if you check the titles of the case.
Mine is the Cohen matter.
Yes.
Look at, we are different judges.
Let us look for the
Yeah.
Court of Appeal
The Court of
decision,
Appeal, take
because
us down.
judges have different opinions,
Yes.
will appear before you.
But just note that we do not have to fight over that. That there is already jurisprudence in place. You will agree, in fact, you need to agree with the state. Do you want the plea to be taken first, or do you want mental assessment to be taken?
We'll talk. You have brought Undimu is a bit.
The rest of us, yes,
Undimu will intercede.
yeah, please do not raise that issue. I want it settled between
No, we'll
yourselves
talk outside.
when I have left.
Much obliged.
Yeah. Have a lovely afternoon.